back to my channel. So I did this unboxing probably a week or two ago just because I was late on it. But anyway, I just got it in the mail today, so I'm unboxing it right away. So this is the Lux or Love subscription, and this is a jewelry subscription that I absolutely love. And it comes in different ways. I get the bigger package, but if you pay $10 a month, you can pick either the earring subscription, which you get 2 pairs of earrings every month for $10. You could pick a bracelet subscription where it's a bracelet every month for $10, or the necklace where you get a necklace every month for $10. Or you could pick the one that I get, which is, I think it's 4 to 5 items for $25 a month, and you're gonna get jewelry and accessories. What I really like about this subscription, the one that I get, because I get the bigger one, but they're all nice. I like all of them, but the accessories they give you are always really beautiful. The one I got last month, I'll put the link to that video in the description box below in case you want to check it out. They gave me like this really cute it was like a, you know how like you have the glasses and there's like a chain that hangs down? It was like a beautiful one. So when I went home to my grandfather's funeral, I ended up giving it to my grandmother and she loved it. So I did that, and then I also got a really cute blinged out cat purse holder that you hang from the side of the table. Now in my video, I wasn't really sure what it was. I thought it was a cute magnet, but my subscribers set me straight. I just don't carry purses. I always carry wristlets, so that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. But anyways, it was really cute, and I ended up giving it away in my birthday giveaway that I did. And so anyways, but it was gorgeous. It was really cute. So that's what I also like, is that they even go the extra mile for their accessories. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you what $25 a month will get you in this jewelry subscription. Again, keep in mind, if that's not something you're into, or maybe your budget is not filling $25 a month, but maybe you want a couple pairs of earrings, or just a necklace, or a bracelet, or I think you might be able to alternate them. There's always the $10 a month option. So here we go. So yeah, again, this is Lux or Love, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box below, and I'm gonna leave, there's like a code that you use when you sign up and what it will do, and I'm gonna type the code in there. So I'm gonna say click this link and type this code. So it'll say all that in my description box, but you'll save 15% off your first box. So I love that, and that's no matter what size you get. So you can't beat that, 15% off. So if you get it the first month, you decide it's not for you, you saved 15% off on it, and then you just cancel. No big deal. But I really like it. I've had it for, I want to say 3 or 4 months now, and I've liked it so far. They haven't let me down. Okay, so I opened this up. This side had my address, so then it came in another wrapping, so I'm going to open it up. Everything's usually packaged really well with this company. Looks like they've changed it up a little bit. But okay. So I got these 2 cards. There's this one. Says, Lux or Love, thank you for joining the Lux or Love VIP Club. Please follow us on social media and share your beautiful photos with the Lux or Love community. Then it tells me what's in here, which I don't want any spoilers. Okay, the Lux or Love VIP offer free shipping now. If you shop in the boutique store, your purchase can be shipped for free in your coming subscription box. And then they give you a code in there. So yeah, they also do sell jewelry separately from the box as well that you can go in. Okay, so this is what the box looks like this month. That's really cute. So Lux or Love, www.luxorlove.com. You open up. I love that they do teal because I love teal. And then your jewelry, always each one comes in its own little bag, and I love that. I think that is so cute. When I sent the birthday giveaway, I was able to reuse these and put them in their bag. And also when I gifted to my grandma, she had her little bag. So I don't know, I think that's really cute. But that's just me. All right, so let's see what the first item is. There's no particular order because I don't know what's what because they're all in bags. Ooh, these are pretty. I like these earrings better than last month. Last month was grapes. So it was like a bundle of grapes and they were smaller. They were really cute. I like bigger dangle earrings. So I would wear them, but my daughters loved them a lot. So I ended up passing them on to them. But look at those. Those are stunning. See how they go like from red to a gold? It literally looks like a red grape, but anyway, these are very pretty. And they're long enough like I like. So nobody's getting these but me. But me. Whereas the last ones, the bundle of grapes, probably went to like here. Whereas these have like a little bit more length. I like a little bit more length in my earrings. The other ones were super cute and they had a matching necklace and I really liked it. But again, two of my daughters were like, yeah, I'd rock those and I want to wear them tomorrow. And they were already claiming when they were going to wear them. So I was like, okay, y'all can just have them because it's not that serious for me. But see, these, it is that serious. Those are freaking cute. But that's what I like about these jewelry subscriptions is you never know what you're going to get. And it's items I haven't seen in stores. And that's always exciting for me. Oh, is this another pair of earrings? Look at me. These match my outfit right now. See how I just told you I love longer dangly earrings? Those are freaking adorable. They go perfect with my outfit. But these are totally me. These and the last pair I just showed you. But see, that just goes to show, like with the subscription, you get a blend. So like if somebody didn't like the longer, last month they might have liked the shorter, like the grape bundle earrings instead. But you always have something that no matter what, somebody's gonna like. So if you didn't like it necessarily, you save it and gift it to somebody else and it works out. So I love that. These earrings are adorable. I'm happy already. So that's two pairs of earrings I absolutely love. All right, let's see what the third item is. So I don't know. That's why I'm happy with this subscription service. To me, they've nailed it. Ooh. I feel like this was my month or something. Look at this. And then it has like the extender. So right now the necklace is as tight as it'll go, but I can loosen it. But it's layered. Isn't that gorgeous with the stars? That is really, really pretty. So let me try to make this looser. It kind of looks like it might be meant to be a choker. Yeah. That's gorgeous. I already know my oldest daughter is going to try to take this because she's obsessed with chokers. And honestly, this is prettier than any of her chokers. This is so pretty. So I might save this as like a Christmas present. Hopefully she doesn't watch this. Yes, stainless 3-layer I'm Your Star necklace. That's so pretty. So more than likely this is going to be her Christmas, one of her Christmas presents. I think that's so stunning. Okay. She's not here right now, but hopefully she doesn't watch the video. The one time I don't want them to watch, they probably will. You know how kids are, guys. Okay. Then we got this item. So, we get it open. Oh, Okay, so this would be my youngest daughter. Loves purple. That is so pretty, this bracelet. See how it's like got the braiding and the rocks. Yeah, she's gonna love that. So again, I think this might be another Christmas present. They hooked me up. I mean, I love them myself, but these are literally perfect gifts for them. Like to where if I went online, I would pick these for them. So they might have hooked me up. Thank you, Luxor Love. Saving me time on having to look for Christmas gifts this year. Okay. So that's that. That was what? 2 earrings, a necklace, a bracelet. I've got something wrapped in bubble wrap. Ooh. Alright, so this is one of my accessories. So it's the rose quartz roller. So that's really nice. See what I mean? Like even their accessories are good. Like I have another jewelry subscription, and I said this last time, so I don't want to repeat myself every video, but I was paying the extra price for their accessory package, and their accessories kept being like stuff I don't know, like really cheap, like $1, $2 looking items. Whereas this, I know they paid more money for. So I appreciate that, and that's why this company, I keep the bigger package, and the other jewelry subscription, I went to the smaller. Both companies, I love their jewelry though, you know? Okay, so this is the, oh, that is so pretty. So this matches my rose quartz roller. So that's the last accessory I have. It's very cool. So let me read this. They didn't even put it on here. I guess I just put my roller on it. Or it's just a free item. Okay, so let's see. It says I got handmade purple crystal bracelet. I got a stainless 3-layer iron star necklace. I got S925 silver needle wine red rose. I can't talk. S925 silver needle wine red stone earrings, Tiffany blue natural stone earrings, and pink jade face beauty roller and rose gold color. So I think this is to just set my roller on. Or maybe, I don't know. Y'all are probably going to correct me in the comments. It's going to be like the magnet purse holder all over again. I already know. Because it matches the rose quartz, but it's really pretty. Anyway, I love this box. So I got all of that for $25. That's why I'm sold on this box. I saw Kitty from Kitty's Boxes. She unboxed this one time, and I was like, oh, hooked. I love it. And I've subscribed ever since, and I love it. So, again, I'm linking them down below. I'm putting the code LuxorLove in case you forget it from hearing me talk or ramble. So you can save 15% off your first box. Please sign up. I think this stuff is amazing. And like I said, I just got a couple of Christmas gifts taken care of. I love it. So I recommend, I don't know, I recommend any of the boxes. But for me, if you are looking for cool little trinkets or accessories, I think this box has it. They do really well at it. So anyway, that's just my opinion. Who am I? But anyways, talk to you guys later. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you. See you in the next video.